we have here? A Primal meat, a mystery box has arrived today. Let's see what we have inside. Let's do a mystery meat unboxing video. So first up, it's your typical standard cardboard box delivered by DPD. But inside, we have this lovely wool insulation. Nice natural insulation. It's reused. You can reuse it. It's pure wool. It's compostable and biodegradable. So, but it keeps it warm. Nice natural fibers. So first start, A+ for packaging. Very little plastics. Let's see, we've got one set of plastics for the mystery meat. Oh, and there's my name. And I threw in a little extra of some bacon. Who doesn't love their bacon? The streaky bacon, obviously, because that's the best kind. And we got a couple of ice packs, which is rock hard solid. That's good because I want my meat to be good. So let's see, what did I get? Here it is, the aforementioned streaky bacon. It's delicious and good for you. Full of fat, more fat than the back bacon. That's why it's better. Back bacon to me, it's more like a thinly sliced cut of ham steak. What do we have in this box though? Well, let's see. Wow, how do we open this? Oh, yep. They've used a double standard knot. Reminds me, I have to learn knots to teach my daughter. But yep, we're going on. And let's see what we get. Ooh, some organic wingtips. That'll make, oh, sorry, there we go. Some delicious organic wingtips. That'll go in a nice keto bone broth. Whoa, we get two of them. Whoa, yeah, we can make some bone broth. We can make some fried chicken wings. We can do some, see, what have we got here? A lamb pastoral, 100% pastoral lamb stewing neck. Some neck meat. What are we going to do with neck meat, folks? We'll have to look up some delicious recipes for you. Oh, and what do we got? We got some mince, but not just any mince. We got some free-range pork mince. Got, oh, what are we going to do with that? We can make something delicious. And while we're still on the mince, we got some 100% pastoral beef mince. Just your standard beef mince. We can make a nice beef mince with carrots and onions, or we could make a pie of some sort. And what have we got here? We got some stewing steak. Whoa! So we can put that in and into the sous vide and make it nice and slow. Well, folks, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed your Primal mystery meat unboxing video. Look out for any more sous vide videos of us cooking this mystery meat. Goodbye.